Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Almost every device we use daily relies on USB. Did you know it's been around since 1996? Of course, it's improved loads since then. The latest development could speed up your work, and you won't even need to buy new cables. USB 4 version 2.0 does some smart things with existing cable technology. The big benefit is data transfer speeds twice as fast as they are right now. That means better displays and faster hubs. If your USB-C cables are no more than a couple of years old, they could start to work faster before the end of the year. That's when the new standards are due to be introduced. And of course, older USB technology will still be compatible. Such is the beauty of USB. That's your tech update. More next week.